in 2007, over 3.5 billion chocolate chip cookies were sold in the United States. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to make Toll House chocolate chip cookies. First, I'm going to start off with all the ingredients you'll need. You'll need flour, salt, baking soda, granulated sugar, brown sugar, butter, vanilla, semi-sweet chocolate chip cookies, and eggs. The first thing that we're going to want to do today is preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Okay. I have here 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and we're going to mix these ingredients together. Grab this spoon. You don't have to mix that too long, just enough so you think it gets distributed pretty evenly. Then in another bowl, you need a pretty big bowl because you're going to be beating everything together. You'll take 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 sticks of butter, and they need to be softened, so you could either keep them out for a couple minutes or throw them in the microwave for a couple minutes, or not a couple minutes, be liquid, a couple of seconds. Then you're going to take those ingredients to the mixer on high and beat them together until they're mixed. Then once you have them mixed together, you'll want to beat an egg. You'll need 2 eggs, but they want you to beat 1 egg in at a time. And this you should beat until it's a pretty smooth texture. Now that we have that done, you'll take the flour mixture you had earlier and just gradually add a little bit at a time. And then continue mixing. Down the sides because some of the flour is sticky. Okay, now that it's all mixed together, you'll take semi-sweet chocolate chip cookies, 12 ounces, which is this whole bag. And just mix them in. It also calls for a cup of nuts, but that's optional. So I'm just going to add a little bit more chocolate chips to it because I don't like nuts in my cookies. Give that just a little bit more. Mix them all together. Okay. Now you'll take an ungrazed cookie sheet pan and grab a tablespoon and just put about a tablespoonful, about that much, and put them on in a row on the ungreased cookie pan. And that was the oven being done. That's preheated now. Okay, now that you have them all arranged on the cookie sheet, just throw them in the oven, 375 degrees for 9 to 11 minutes until they're golden brown. Okay, just about 9 minutes has passed and the timer is just about to beep. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the cookies. And they look just about golden brown. Take them out over here. And it says to cool them for about 2 minutes on a cooling rack. I don't have one of those, so I'm just going to leave them on the pan, turn off the oven. You can see how much I use it. I don't know how to okay there. I don't know how to turn it off. And now that I've shown you all the ingredients and the steps that you'll need, you can make the perfect chocolate chip cookies.